Do you want to fix your IT delivery chain? A well-conceived IT delivery chain, in particular, if you collaborate with a service provider in a best cost location, promises benefits galore. But how does it look like in reality? Take, for example, requirements. Requirements are always an issue. If they are not well understood, rework will delay deliveries. Or, I guess you have experienced this before, endless debates on change requests will eat up all your cost advantages. And quality is an issue. And education of new employees, standardization, compliance, security, and so on and so forth. Modeling for digital is a backbone of your professional IT delivery process. It bridges the gap between the formal contract with your vendor and what really happens in day-to-day business. To set up a delivery chain, you need 3 elements: a buyer organization, a supplier organization, and a process that defines the division of labor. Most of the time, the process flow, which is not complicated by the way, is not the issue if you encounter cost or quality problems. However, artifacts such as specifications and designs, which are created on both sides, their structure and quality determine the end-to-end performance. These artifacts are the manifestation of the work in the delivery chain. The modeling for digital framework is a ready-to-use glue between those organizational units. It consists of a simple methodology, compact online courses, templates for the most popular modeling tools, featuring an adoptable meta model. The modeling for digital framework, by the way, also allows seamless alignment with the other stakeholders in the life cycle. For example, project sponsors to get the requirements straight, enterprise architecture to fit the project deliverables into the enterprise context, purchasing department to conduct an RFP and to track the promises of the vendor, operations to smoothly transition the project results into production, portfolio management to master dependencies. You find more information on how you can accelerate your digital transformation on our YouTube channel and on the training portal.